Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you control the same account on each device. This is critical because most sync systems match ID. Once signed in, enable your cloud backup, iCloud, Google Drive, or your provider, and confirm you have enough free storage. Plug devices into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to prevent interruptions. After these steps, open the Messages app settings so you can begin the actual sync process without risking lost data. Now you initiate the sync from the Messages settings on your primary device. Tap the option labeled Sync or Messages in Cloud and select the data scope. You choose whether to sync only recent threads or full history including media because that affects time and storage. Once started, watch the progress indicator and read any conflict prompts. Decide to keep newest or merge when asked. If syncing multiple devices, start primary device first, then enable sync on each secondary device one by one. Finish by verifying that messages, timestamps, and media appear correctly across your devices. Open a recent conversation and ensure attachments load. If something's missing, force a manual refresh or toggle the sync setting off and on. This often nudges stalled transfers. Make sure you allow time for large attachments to download. If conflicts persist, sign out and back into the account on the affected device to re-establish authentication. One key tip: clear local cache only after confirming cloud copies exist to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.